Okay. Hang on. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you, Roshan. At least once.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
MCQ. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday's MCQ. How was that? Okay, let me check. I didn't start checking. Okay. Anyway,
Ma'am, that circles are that one question again. Circles are congruent or similar or
what are they? Circles are
congruent. Similar, no.
similar because radius are different. All the circles, different radius will be there. No, so they are similar in their shape. Shape is similar, but they are different radius. They have different circles. Okay, congruent means exactly the same. Circles with the same radius. Suppose 2 centimeter radius circles. All circles are same radius. Then we can say those circles are congruent. If different radius circles, they are similar in their shapes, but not congruent. Okay, I will show you some points. So last day we discussed about trigonometry, and trigonometry is the relation between angles and sides and angles of triangle. In this chapter, we are discussing about only the right triangle. We are considering only the right triangles. Okay. And see, trigonometry basically used to find out the heights and distance of taller trees, taller building, very large mountains, or we are using to find out the height or distance of a ship from the shore, distance from sun, or distance from earth to moon or other planet. Okay, for that we have to use two these angles are, this is right angle, and these two angles are called these two angles are called what? One is right angle, other angles are in a right triangle, other two angles are acute angles. So based on these two acute angles in a right triangle, based on the two acute angles, we are defining some trigonometric ratios. Last day we have studied trigonometric ratios. These are the uses of trigonometry to find, without actual measuring, we can find the height of Everest, height of Burj Khalifa, or the height of these buildings without actual measuring. By standing down, we can calculate the heights, also distance also. Okay. Trigonometry, as I explained, trigono, triangle. Gono means sides. Trigono, 3 sides figure. That is triangle. Metry is measure. Last day I discussed. Trigono is triangle. 3. Gono, sides. Sides, 3 sides figure is triangle. So trigonometry is measure. Trigonometry measures based on a triangle. And that this no need. Okay, right triangle. Usually in trigonometry, we are introducing a new variable like x, y, z, alpha, beta. Here we are introducing another variable theta. Instead of x, y, z, just our variables x, y, z, or alpha, beta, we have studied in our polynomial. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. That alpha, beta, gamma also we introduced in polynomial. This is another Roman letter, and it is theta. It's not Roman, Greek letter, theta. Okay. See, this is theta. Height, Now trigonometric ratios. Did you write the trigonometric ratios? Sin theta, cos theta and all? Yes, I think, isn't it? Okay, okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay, this is for in this triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, one more thing I want to say you, the side opposite to angle A. Side opposite to angle A is what, Gauri? Side opposite to angle A? BC. And we usually the length BC, we are denoted by the letter A. Side opposite to angle A is A. Side opposite to angle B, that is AC. Side opposite to angle B is AC. And we are denoted it by small letter B. And side opposite to angle C, our hypotenuse, it is denoted by angle C. Okay. So if in another triangle PQR, consider another triangle PQR, capital P. PQR. So side opposite to angle P is small letter P. Side opposite to angle Q is small letter Q. And side opposite to angle R is small letter R. Side opposite to angle R is small letter R. Okay. So adjacent and opposite side we have discussed, isn't it? Here we have an angle theta. This is angle theta. Angle theta. So for this angle theta, PQR. For this angle theta, RQ is opposite side, PQ is adjacent side, and PR is the hypotenuse. Okay, this is adjacent side. Adjacent side, and this is opposite side. Opposite side. Here, theta is here. The angle considering is here. ABC. ABC. So, side opposite to theta is AC. So, this is opposite side. Opposite side. And side adjacent to theta is BC. This is adjacent side. So, according to the, as per the angle considered, the adjacent side and the opposite side will be changed, but hypotenuse will be the same. Okay. Now we have 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios. They are sine, cosine, tangent. Sine, cosine, tangent. Usually we will call it as sine, S-I-N, sine, C-O-S, cos, and T-I-N, tan. And cosec, cosecant, we will call it as cosec, secant, sec, cotangent, we will call, name it as cot. So, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Okay. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot, not tan, it is cot. Cosec, sec, and cot. Okay. So, Aryabhatta, who introduced sine for the first time, he was the first person who used sine for the first time. Okay. This is there in your book. This you can read in your textbook about Aryabhatta. Just go through those notes. Okay, listen to the word, all of you listen. Here we are going to define sine theta. First, sine theta. Sine theta is defined as sine theta. This is theta. Theta. At this sides are angles are ABC. So as per the theta, for the angle theta, which is opposite side, Raya, For the angle theta, opposite side is
AC,
AC and hypotenuse is
AB,
AB. So sine is defined as sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is, here it is AC by AB. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, A by AB. And Roshan, cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side here? Adjacent side is for this triangle 1, BC. BC by hypotenuse is
AB.
AB, BC by AB. And next, Sowell. Sowell, for this angle theta, for the triangle, first triangle, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So, Sowell, opposite side is for the triangle 1. Opposite side is what? Sowell.
AC.
Opposite side is AC by adjacent side.
BC.
BC, AC by BC. So sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Okay, children. Now, Shania, what's the formula for sine theta? Sine is
opposite by hypotenuse.
opposite by hypotenuse. Gautam, cos is
Ma'am, adjacent by hypotenuse.
adjacent by hypotenuse. Good, Lena. Tan,
Opposite by adjacent.
opposite by adjacent side. Angelo, sine,
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Eva, cos,
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
adjacent by hypotenuse. Navneet, tan,
Ma'am,
Hmm.
opposite by adjacent.
opposite by adjacent. Sania, sine,
Opposite side by hypotenuse.
cos. Sania, cos.
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
Tan,
Opposite side by adjacent side.
Susan, cos.
Adjacent side by opposite side.
Cos.
Opposite side by adjacent side.
Cos. You said all other than cos. What is cos? Cos is
Ma'am, hypotenuse by side.
what, Rohan? What did you say?
Ma'am, hypotenuse and side edge.
Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Hypo means hypotenuse. Hypo means hypotenuse. Okay. Okay, Rohan, what is sine? Formula for sine?
Hypotenuse by side edge.
No, sine. Sine is
AC.
sin. Sine. S-I-N.
sine.
Sine.
Side opposite. by
Opposite side. You can say opposite side.
side
Opposite side by hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
Yes, opposite side by hypotenuse. Atulya, tan.
Opposite side by adjacent side.
Opposite side by adjacent side. Karthik, cos.
Ma'am, adjacent side by hypotenuse.
Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Ebin,
Yes, ma'am.
Ebin, sine.
Opposite side by hypotenuse.
Gautam, tan. Gautam,
Opposite side by adjacent.
opposite side by adjacent. Children, if you didn't write, you can write these three formulas. Sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Write these three. Those who are not written, write it. Sine theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. And tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Wrote all of you?
Draw that.
I think you have already done.
Draw.
I think all of you, last day we draw this, isn't it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes. Okay, now before moving to cosecant, all I have to explain. See, listen, all of you. So we have a right triangle ABC. Now instead of ABC, we will write X, Y, Z. Consider this angle theta. Let angle X be angle theta. Okay, listen, all of you. We know that sine theta equal to, this is for this angle theta, YZ is opposite side. Opposite side, XY is adjacent side. And this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So sine theta equal to equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. And tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now I'm going to define cosec. Cosec. Cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. And sec theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. And cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Opposite side. See, sine and cosec. All of you look at sine and cosec. Is there any relation between sine and cosec? Sine and cosec. Is there any relation?
Opposite.
And yes, you not opposite. Reciprocal. In max, you can't say they are opposite. The term is reciprocal, Iva. Okay, you're correct. Okay. So sine and cosec are reciprocals because sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosec is hypotenuse by opposite side. So sine and cosec are reciprocals. And see, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. So Navaneet, what is the relation between cos and sec? Relation between cos and sec?
Ma'am,
They are what can we,
reciprocal.
reciprocals. Good, they are reciprocals. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, sec is hypotenuse by adjacent. And see, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side, but cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. So Angelo, tan and cot are Angelo are
Opposite.
reciprocal and cot are reciprocals. So cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Sec is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cot is adjacent side by opposite side. So children, draw this triangle and write these three. Cosec, sec, cot. You didn't write, isn't it? Only sine, cos, tan only.
And we wrote.
We wrote
This also you wrote? Cosec,
Ah.
secant, cot formula. Anjali, did you write this formula? These three?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you wrote? Okay, good. So now we will move. So these 4, 6 are with you now, isn't it? All of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will give you 2 minutes for study. Study. Quick. Studied?
Ma'am, one
Hmm?
second. 1 second.
Hmm. So you write one sentence, write a sentence. Children, write a sentence. After trigonometric ratios, write the sentence. The values of an angle do not vary the length of sides of the triangle if the angle remains the same. We did not change the angles. We just change the length of the sides only. If we change the length of the sides, the trigonometric ratios remains the same unless we change the angles. Brought all of you? Huh? One more thing. Listen to the board. See, we know that sine theta equal to all of you. All this you listen carefully because very minute things can also ask for
Ma'am,
multiple
this one we
choice.
need to write now.
Huh?
This one we need to write now.
This one no. This you didn't write.
Yes, ma'am, I write. I ask only.
That you have to write. Okay.
This one we need to write. This
No,
figure.
wait, wait. Since you have to face MCQ questions, what you have to do, we have to go through all the minute things from the textbook. Okay, all these things can ask as a multiple choice question. So you have to study more deeply each subject, not only maths, all the subjects also. From they can ask from deep. Okay, see, listen. We have to remember sine theta equal to we know that it is opposite side by hypotenuse. hypotenuse. And we took this as 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. So then it will be 4 by 5. Opposite side is 4 by 5. And sin theta, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So it will be equal to, cos theta is equal to, then 3 by 5. Cos theta equal to 3 by 5. Sin theta is 4 by 5 and cos theta is 3 by 5. So always in a right triangle, which side will be always the longest one? Which side? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse will be the longest one in all cases. Okay. So in sin theta and cos theta, always denominator will be the largest number, isn't it? Because denominator, hypotenuse coming, no, denominator is hypotenuse. So always the denominator will be the larger number than the numerator. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sin theta and cos theta, always denominator will be the larger number because denominator is hypotenuse. In a right triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. So denominator will be the largest number. So this value, its decimal will be more than 1 or less than 1. Decimal expansion of sine and cos. Are they more than 1 or less than 1? Sine and cos. Denominator is larger, numerator is lesser. So it will be less than 1 or larger than, greater than 1 or less than 1.
Greater than.
Greater than 4 by 5.
No, ma'am. Less.
It is less than, it will be always less than if a denominator is a larger number, 8 by 3. It will be less than 1 always, proper fraction. If denominator is less than, larger than numerator, it will be always less than 1. So this also less than 1, this also less than 1. So value of sin theta and cos theta. In some particular cases, it will be equal to 1. That this year you are not studying, but it is always less. You study less than 1, less than or equal to. In some cases, it can be equal to, but cannot be more than 1. It cannot be more than 1. Okay. So sign options can be less than or equal to or less than. Then it will be less than or equal to. Okay. Here, but sometimes question may ask the value of cos theta. Value of either cos theta or sin theta of cos theta. Options can be 1 or always 1, B less than 1, C less than or equal to 1. Then the correct option is less than or equal to 1. Actually, it is less than 1, but in some particular cases about the angles, some particular angles, for some particular angle, it can be equal to 1. So answer will be less than or equal to 1. So that sentence also. Last side of a right triangle, since right triangle, sine or cos always less than or equal to 1. Always very important. Put in some, highlight this point. Very important it is. Okay. All of you wrote that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to ask 6 ratios. Let us start. Okay, Raya. Cos theta. Cos.
Adjacent by height.
Adjacent by hypotenuse. Correct. Gerlin. Sine. Gerlin. Sine.
Ma'am, I know.
Wait. Gerlin. Sine theta. Sine theta is. Can you hear me, Gerlin? No. Fisan. Okay. Sine theta, Fisan.
I'm opposite by hypotenuse.
Good. Anjali. Cosec.
Hypotenuse by opposite side.
Revu. Cos. Adjacent by Emrin. Tan. Emrin. Can you hear me, Emrin? Tan. Isha, tan.
Opposite by adjacent.
Abin. Correct. Abin.
Yes, ma'am.
Cot.
Adjacent side by opposite side.
Cot is adjacent side by
Opposite side.
Karthik. Seek.
Ma'am,
See.
hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Rohan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tan.
Opposite side by opposite.
Opposite side by
Hypotenuse.
tan. No, tan.
Side
Tan is
opposite by side adjacent.
very good. Opposite side by adjacent side. Good. Okay. Now Gautam. Cosec.
Ma'am, hypotenuse side by opposite side.
Correct. Sriram.
Yes, ma'am.
Seek. Seek is
Hypotenuse by adjacent side.
good. Elna. Cos.
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Good. Delvin. Seek.
Hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Good. Adulya. Cot.
Adjacent side by opposite side.
Good. Lena.
Yes, ma'am.
Cosec.
Hypotenuse by opposite side.
Roshan. Tan.
Opposite by adjacent.
Opposite by adjacent. Sovel. Seek.
Ma'am, hypotenuse by adjacent.
Adjacent. Kshetra. Cot.
Adjacent by opposite.
Opposite side. Meghna. Tan.
Opposite by adjacent.
Sean.
Yes, ma'am.
Cosec.
Hypotenuse by adjacent.
Said. Yes, Sean. Tan is tan.
Opposite side by adjacent.
Okay. Said.
Yes.
Said. Seek.
Opposite by adjacent.
Correct. Iba. Cos.
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Elsa. Cot.
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Maria. Hi. Thank you. We will meet after some time. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.